Thanks to the great response from my video on how to play Pips, some people asked me to go ahead and play all 3 levels, not just the easier levels, to demonstrate the game. So in this video, I'm actually going to play all 3 levels. Haven't played it today, so let's see. We'll start with the easy level, and I'll just talk and play and enjoy, I guess. So that's an equal sign, have to be the same. There's only one tile here that's equals with the same on each side. It's a 1, has to be there. There's a 0. There can only be one place to put a 0, right there. That is a 1 and that is a 1. So these 2 pips, dominoes with 1, will have to go there. And since this needs to be 8, it seems to me that maybe we want to go here and 1, and then that's 5 of the 8, and then this can become 3. That makes 8, and then I can still put the 1 there. Yeah, awesome. Play another difficulty. Let's move it up to the medium. This has got a couple of more interesting things, so let's take a look. Okay, so we need to have a 5 there. This is an L-shaped thing that needs to have 6. A little tricky. 2, these need to total 3. These all need to be the same, and these 2 need to be the same. So there needs to be 3 that are the same. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5s, and I see 1, 2 6s. So maybe the 6s go here and the 5s go. Maybe the 6s go here and the 5s go here, and then the 4th 5 would have to go there. So actually, that would mean that I'd put the 5 there. Oops, not there. Come down there, and that means I have to have 5s all across. And if I was going to have 6s, I guess I would need to have 5, and then the 6 would be there. And then maybe this 5 would go here. It does put 3 pips there, so maybe then I need to put a 0 to do that. So it does total 3. Now this needs to be equal, so that's 6. So I guess I would put 4, yeah, the 2 there, and then there's 4. This needs to equal 6, and these are 2 plus that 4. Yep, that does that. Nice. So let's move on to the hard one. This is actually the ones that are pretty tricky. So I haven't done it yet, just like the other ones, but we're going to do it together. And I see lots of equal signs, equal, equal. These 3 have to be equal. This has to total 18. That's quite a bit. And this one is 1. I only have 2 pips here that are 1. And this one is a 2, and I only have 1, 2, 3 dominoes that can be 2. Tricky. Where to start? I also feel like I want to maybe figure out, since this is 18, how does 3 tiles get to 18? Well, there's only one way, 6 plus 6 plus 6. So I have 3 6s here. So I might as well maybe put 1 there, and then, oops, 1 there, and then that would mean that these 2 have to be 3 and 3 somewhere. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these 4 top ones have to somehow fit here, all giving 0. Well, let me see. Since that says 1, I'll put a 0 there. I can see already a problem, because if you were to have zeros, a 0 here, the only way this works is to have 2 3s, and we don't have 2 3s. So if I had a 3 here with a 4, and then that 3 here with 2, but that would not be a 0. So therefore, it makes me think that this 6 is not supposed to go there. So maybe it goes like that. And then we have to figure out all these zeros. Well, my gut then would tell me that we would go 2 and 2, and then this 2 would be the same, and that puts a 0 there. Now we still have to figure out the 3 zeros here, here, and here. Let me try just to put zeros here and then put zeros there. That keeps them all, puts the 5 on the outside. So all of this is good so far, but I'm not sure it's correct. So let's come down here. This is equals. So maybe something in a here, like and then here's equals. Oh, and this one's 2. Well, I have to work backwards then. So let's 2. That will put a 3 here. Can we put a 3 there? Yes, we can. And now we have to have 4. Can I put a 4 there? Oh, there you go. So that's how to play the Pips puzzles, the brand new New York Times daily puzzle that is on the page with all the other games that they have here. The spelling bee, the Wordle, the strands, the connections, letterbox, tiles, Sudoku, all of which I do, and have videos on this channel on how to play and play. Let me know what you think. A lot of these are free. I'm actually not even logged in just now and played them, but I also play them on the app. I also do the crosswords every day, the minis. I have all videos on how to do New York Times crossword puzzles. That's all, folks. Hope you enjoyed it.